Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi not showing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Once you have opened it, expand the window first and proceed to network adapters. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow and choose this MediaTek wireless LAN card. Do a right click and proceed to properties. Here in this new window, you need to go for the advanced options and look for preferred band under the property. Change it into 5 gigahertz band and click on OK to apply. Once you have applied it, okay, proceed to 2.4 gigahertz. Let's just wait since it's applying. Okay, so let's go back. Do a right click again and go with properties and go with advanced. And here you need to make this 2.4 gigahertz channel bandwidth auto. Click on OK. And then 5 gigahertz in auto. Click on OK. And 6 gigahertz, click be in auto again. Click on OK. And here you would be able to see an option which is roaming aggressiveness. Make sure that the value is in lowest because the lowest the roaming aggressiveness, the highest your network connection will be. Okay? Once you find it, change the value into lowest and click on apply. And click on OK. So in that manner, you have just fixed your problem. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.